Hello friends and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will share with you an amazing AI website, and after that, you will stop using Google to search your photos. Just head over to app.decohere.ai and sign up over here. The interface of this website is just so simple and easy to use. All you have to do is just start typing and it will generate the image in real time. Yes, that's what makes this website more interesting. As you add the text, it will continue to change the image. Once done, you can select from multiple options over here. You can even change the aspect ratio of your image. To download the image, just add it to the library, scroll down and click on this download button. And here is our image. You can later upscale and remove the watermark as per your requirement. There are some more interesting features, but all that comes with a paid subscription. Here, you can also upscale your images up to 10x. And the best part is creating a motion video from your images. Here's one more option. You can use a reference person and make changes to that picture as well. But all that comes under the subscription plan, and other than that, you can create images for free and download them easily. So just go try out this amazing website and do let us know if you found this helpful. And for more such content, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.